2002 Ford Thunderbird here at Unique Specialty and Classics. And listen to this, 64.1 miles on this car at the moment, and it will not be driven outside our showroom floor here. So 64.1 miles. It was actually taken by the owner of the dealership that it was sold new at, put into their collection until it was sold to the current owner. So basically a two-owner car. First owner was the dealer that had it in his collection, and then it was purchased by the consignor of the vehicle right now and is available. So here's your chance to own a very low mile 02 Ford Thunderbird. Does come with both tops, hard top and soft top, and we will put that hard top on that's back in the corner and show you the condition of that. We'll put the soft top up, check out the condition of that. Of course, black fabric top. If you want to see the still pictures so you can see this car from every angle, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Chrome wheels, like brand new. And as you can see, the paint, I mean, it looks like it just rolled off the showroom floor back in 2002. Does have the convertible top soft cover with it. I think this is the first time it's been unfolded and put on the car. And it does come with the plastic bag that it came in new, and we'll wrap it up, put it back in there. Does have the optional torch red accent interior. Otherwise all stock, free of any major nicks, dings, scratches, and then all the paraphernalia that it will come with. So we have obviously the hard top. We're going to put that back on. There's a plastic bag that soft convertible top cover will go in. The original dealership's license plates and the front license plate bracket. That's actually a cover for the hard top when it's in storage. There is your foldable hard top stand with wheels, locking lug socket, and of course your hardtop removable tool. The two key fobs still in the bag, owner's manual, and the car actually still has the window sticker on it, and that's on the passenger window. We'll check that out when I put the hardtop on, so then I'll show you where that window sticker is too. Once again, all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Let's take a look down this driver's side. If you like Thunderbirds, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here, no matter what year. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And you just never know when you're going to see a nice low mile example come through here. All right, of course, all your monitor amenities with power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power seat over here on the driver's side. And again, the leather seating surface is like new. Definitely nothing to hide on this one. We'll fire it up so you can hear it run. Let's take a peek underneath the hood. I'll show you the exact miles here also. Has the power tilt and telescoping steering column. There's the exact miles, 64.1. Dash looks like new. Of course, AM, FM, CD changer, in-dash, power top. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Like I said, no modifications, so it is stock. 3.9 liter underneath the hood. A little bit of a rumble to it, nothing crazy. Automatic with overdrive transmission, of course. Power steering, power brakes, AC. I can get this one one-handed or not here. There we go. Of course, the hood liner, spotless, like new. And there it is. The V8 power. 3.9 liter V8. It's like brand new underneath here also. And only 64.1 miles. I don't know if you got a chance to see that on the odometer or not. It'll be in the still pictures. There it is right down there in the corner, 64.1. All right, let me go ahead and get this convertible top up. It is a power top. It functions as it should. We'll get that power top up, take a peek at that, check out the condition, then we'll get the hard top on there, and we'll wrap up this walk around. And last but not least, hard top on. So of course the iconic porthole. Nice tight fit above the windshield. It's what you'd expect with a car with less than 100 miles on it. I mean, it's like new. Of course, glass rear window, electric defog. Around here too. The passenger side, you can see the reflection of the lights above. Paint's in good condition, and I rolled up this passenger window to show you. Window sticker still intact. Check that out, and you'll be able to see that in the still pictures too. All right. Speaking of still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com is where you can see all of them. Jason will not be taking this one for a drive just because we're keeping the miles down on it. Number to call, 507-386-1726. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And soft top up. So again, power top, functions as it should. Nice tight fit above the windshield. Again, 64.1 miles. It's like new. There's, again, no surprises on this one. Glass rear window, electric defog. Around here to the passenger side, again, it doesn't show anywhere. Definitely no rips, tears, holes, anything like that. It's like new. What you'd expect. All right, we'll go ahead and get that hard top lifted on here. I'm going to roll up that passenger window so you can see the window sticker. And that window sticker will be in with the still pictures also. So definitely go check those out. We'll get the hard top on and wrap this up.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.